Hello, friends. A very good evening to all of you. As you all know, I have just started out making videos, and very recently I did start my YouTube channel. I would like to thank you all, all my followers on all my social media platforms for giving me so much love and liking and appreciating my videos. I know I haven't really reached that mark, but with your constant love and support, I shall surely achieve success and reach the top. So, friends, today I shall be talking about something different, something unusual. I have never really been a tech savvy person myself, but it has been my kids who have constantly forced me and supported me in a positive way to understand the technological advancements and how one needs to adapt with the changes in technology that have taken place. Thanks to technology, which has certainly reached its zenith, I'm able to create such an amazing and worthwhile content for all my followers. Technology has enabled me to reach out to everyone throughout the world. As I said, I was never a tech savvy person myself. However, I always thought that expressing your views and sharing your knowledge is something that I want to tell the world. But how could I do that? Then I came across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and I understood that these are the exact platforms that can help me achieve the aim that I have, that is to share information and reach out to everyone. I knew what I wanted to do, but something was lacking. I didn't have a good phone or a camera wherein I could record my videos and edit them and publish them. My kids told me that go ahead mom, no worries, you just start doing it, and we would edit your videos and we'll get it done. And we did that try, but nothing really worked. Then one day my son suggested that I buy the OnePlus 7. At first I didn't know if he was right about it. I mean, surely he really is a tech savvy person, and whatever I know or rather understand technology is because of him and my daughter, who actually edits all my videos. Oh, I am blessed. So my son asked me to buy an OnePlus 7, and friends, let me tell you, I haven't regretted buying the OnePlus 7 at all. It is an amazing device which powers the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, which gives me a great performance, sharper photos, and an amazing battery life. The OnePlus 7 is a very smart device indeed. Friends, I know there are newer OnePlus versions which have come out in the market. The OnePlus 7T, OnePlus 7T Pro, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, and I surely would like to use them sometime. But at the moment, my OnePlus 7 here has been my amazing companion, as it so smartly adapts to my individual use with RAM boost. The amazing storage capacity is one of the most fantabulous thing that my OnePlus 7 houses. With 256 GB data space on my OnePlus 7, I can quickly move files, UFS 3.0 technology, whether I'm transforming my video to my phone from my laptop or vice versa, like from my phone to my laptop. The device makes everything so smooth and quick, and plus, I don't even have to worry about the space issues. The OnePlus 7 also powers Dolby Atmos, which is another factor that makes my videos the way they are. Amazing. With the Dolby Atmos, whenever I record videos and play them later, the all encompassing and powerful speaker put me right in the action. Finally, coming to the most essential feature of my phone, which will actually helps me in capturing my videos in the dual camera that my OnePlus 7 houses. The crisp colors and the stunning details makes the OnePlus 7 48 megapixel camera an essential friend for all for all, not only me, for all mobile photographer and videographers. While the OIS offers me smooth and steady shots, the OIS is optical image stabilization, which I wasn't aware at all until my kids told me. Happens. The camera is so crisp, clear, and vibrant that all my videos come true to life. The new software algorithms that they have bring out the details of low light photos and optimize the brightness for a crystal clear image, no matter what the time of the day it is. I usually don't get time throughout the day, as by profession I am a financial portfolio manager. So all the videos that I make are after 9 pm in the night. And let me tell you, the camera is so vibrant and crisp that I don't have to use a lot of extra lights while filming my videos, as this power beast provides me the option to shoot my videos in 4K 60ps. Even the front facing camera is something phenomenal, which the OnePlus 7 houses with its 16MP sensor and HDR technology. Photos taken with the OnePlus 7 front facing camera are so stunning and certainly leaves you appalled. Combined with portrait mode, you certainly get professional looking selfies every single time. Now, coming to its battery life, the OnePlus 7 has a 3700 mAh battery and fast charge technology, which means that no matter whatever I'm doing, whether I'm cooking or running some other errand, by the time I finish it, my phone is ready for me, waiting for me to shoot my YouTube videos on it. And finally, the design. Just look at the phone. Isn't it a sexy looking, nice, stunning colored phone? Thanks to the gently curved glass back. Look here. Refined horizon life and smooth texture. The OnePlus is so stunning and easy to hold. My daughter loves holding it while editing, and even and while filming my videos on them, she just loves it. All in all, OnePlus 7 is my buddy, my companion, which helps me to shoot, edit, create, transform my videos and creatives and everything that I do. This is one of the most spectacular devices that I have owned till date. I would like to thank OnePlus for bringing out such a spectacular device at such a nice price, which is certainly not hurtful to the pockets as well. The OnePlus 7 is indeed a complete package. Now you guys must be wondering, I posted about how awesome my OnePlus 7 is and how I shoot each and every video of mine on this device. But right now, I'm shooting this video and at the same time showing off my OnePlus 7. Well, my daughter and son helped me to shoot this one today. This was shot on my son's OnePlus T, which is yet another spectacular device that we own. We truly love the OnePlus lineup, and now I'm setting my eyes on the newly launched OnePlus Bullet Z wireless earphones. I just loved them. Oh, they're so good. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lay my hands on one of those. I'd be able to make even better content for all of you. With the OnePlus, everything is effortless. Thank you, friends. Hope you all liked my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon down there. Thank you.